guys, welcome back to WTF What the Fashion. Today I am here at Samo and their outfits are all about giving the Indo-Western look a modern twist. Their outfits are elegant and luxurious, perfect for every occasion. So let's explore their collection today. Their store is located at Jubilee Hills and they have a beautiful collection out there. So let's check them out and find our outfit inspiration for today. So I have this crop top and a wide leg trouser in front of me. This is a really cute and a pretty piece because this comes with a crop top which is sleeveless, but they have given like a long cape to add volume to the dress. And I think this outfit can be worn for Sangeet and engagement functions, along with some good accessories. Like you'll need to pair this up with a good pair of earrings and a bracelet and a watch kind of a thing. But yeah, this all in all looks very elegant and I think I would rate this 7 out of 10. Next up we have this alternate dress which is in beige and sort of a off-white and a cream color combination. This is very pretty because this is very lightweight and you can really accessorize this very well with boots and golden hoops or anything of that sort. And this outfit all in all makes like a very good combination. So yeah, it's very pretty and simple, but also it's lightweight. So I think this can be worn for a cute cafe brunch or a date with your girls. So this section is for all the girls out there who really like all the shades of violet or purple. So starting off with this is like a kaftan dress. This is like an oversized kaftan dress in the perfect shade of purple, or I would say violet. And this gives like a very contemporary twist to our general kaftans. And I think this is a really nice pick. And I think this is the purple of my dreams. This is like the perfect purple shade I was actually looking for. It's a sequin lehenga, but it's pretty heavy because of the work all around. The detailing is nice too. They have given a dupatta, a blouse and a lehenga all together. I think this is the perfect outfit for Sangeet and reception. Or you can also do it for cocktail parties or good glitzy bitsy events. And yeah, you'll have to pair this up really well with a nice heavy pair of accessories like jhumkas or Victorian jewelry. I think that will look really good on this. So this is from their collection called Emerald Green. So this is like a perfect gown with a cape, with an added on cape, which is really pretty for a cocktail event. And it looks very classy and rich as well. What makes Samo stand out is the story behind each of its outfit. The designers work closely with artisans to ensure that each piece is crafted with care and precision. The intricate detailing of the work on the fabric, along with the design overall, gives it a perfect and an elegant touch. From sourcing the fabrics to working with artisans with close touch, it's all about preserving authenticity with a taste of modern touch. This store consists of 2 floors, so let's go upstairs and check their collection there. This is one of the outfits which I really like, though it's very basic when it comes to black. If you see, they have given a waist belt which adds on to its entire outfit. So this waist belt contains a lot of intricate detailing with a few pearls and sort of beads or any aesthetic thing which you call it. So though this is a very basic black outfit, you can really pair this well for your engagement events or your convocation ceremony at colleges, or any of the events in which you would like to look classy and which will make you definitely stand out. So I really like this outfit. And now we get to see this entire collection called Mimosa, which indicates that this is the whole section of yellow color. And as we all know, yellow is mostly preferred for a haldi function, or something which is more auspicious. So yeah, when you come to this section, one outfit which I really like is this one. It's a really long gown with some intricate detailing on the front side, and back it's very plain. Though this is more on the simpler side, you can pair this up with really good chain or an earring. And next is this kaftan dress, which is short. This is like a short kaftan kind of a dress. It's like an oversized dress, but they have given like a belt sort of a thing in the between, which will make it look in the shape of a balloon. And the detailing is very pretty because they have given some detailing with yellow and white flowers, and there is some design work on the side of the sleeves, which makes it look very cute overall. And next we have this maxi dress, which is over and all a self dress, meaning to say that top to bottom is of the same fabric. There are a few colors involved in this in terms of flowers, but then this is a very simple maxi dress which looks good for a cafe or a lunch date. And yeah, you can pair it up with some really nice white colored heels. They have men's kurtas also available at Samo. The kurtas are more on the simpler side, but they are very elegant and gives you a classy and a luxurious feel. So the kurtas overall are more on the simpler side, like I told you. Yeah, so this is like one of the kurtas. This is very simple. You can wear it for your festive occasions, and it's the perfect fit for any festive season. But yeah, you cannot wear it for weddings, but you can prefer this for any other functions like haldi, sangeet, mehendi, or etc. This is again on the same side of blue. I mean, this is just like a contrast of another blue color. I would say it's called indigo, and the detailing is pretty cute. I mean, it has all over the neck, and I think this is suitable for engagement functions. So these are another two picks which I really like. One is this chikankari off-white kurta, and second is this combination of different types of green. So when it comes to this chikankari kurta, this is a classic one because this is mostly preferred by men because it gives them a very luxurious and the perfect feel for any occasion. And coming to this is more on the festive side. You can prefer this for more auspicious or traditional events like any pujas or any event at home, or you can also prefer this for an engagement function or an haldi function, because this looks very simple and it is very neat. The finishing is neat overall, and you can definitely pair this up with a good pair of pajamas. One thing I really like about Samo is their personal touch to cater the customer's needs. Today we have with us Shalu, who has been very helpful and kind enough to help me with what I want to buy. So tell me, Shalu, like how do you help your customers who do not know what they want to buy?
So, if anyone wants anything who is stepping out to our store, this is very new format and they are not aware of this format. So, we are very confident and we are helping our clients to know what is actual Samo. As even you also browsed our store, you can see there is all Indo-Western stuffs, which is really in this modern generation, it's very required for us, like for our youngsters. So whenever if you're confused with what you want, we are always here to help out. So you can reach out to us anytime.
So yeah, that was very sweet of Shalu to let us know that you can reach out to her whenever there's a requirement and she will be there to help you. So that's it for today, guys. So this was our store tour of Samo in Hyderabad. If you're in Hyderabad, please do check out their store and let us know how you found their collection. Until next time, see you guys. Bye.